replacing it with RO water to take the nutrients back out. And then we take it to the garden for fertilizer. We took out all the little figurines, and now we're sucking up all the fish poop. Look at all that was in the water. This little Harbor Freight pump is doing some work in the fish tank. So this is a little bit of compost tea mixed with that fish aquaponic nutrient water. Now this stuff is going to be more of a microbiome, enzyme, and biological additive. See, it's coming in at about 218, but that's 218 parts per million of pure nutrients. So we're going to go add this to the plants in the garden, and I'm going to really quickly fill up a jug to take down to the medicinal garden as well. So we got the aquaponic fish nutrient water over here, and we're going to be fertilizing the cantaloupe, watermelon, some of the peppers, and the giant pumpkin that I got over there. Just right over here. I'm going to go ahead and dump this bad boy out right there. And remember guys, when we're doing it all organic this year, we're not trying to add a ton of nutrients into the water. We're trying to add those beneficial microorganisms that break down the nutrients in the living soil, in the dirt. We're trying to foster that organic, natural breakdown of nutrients. 200 parts per million from the faucet in there, the tap water, that's not too bad. My reverse osmosis water comes in at 2. So you can see how much cleaner of a base water this stuff is when you use it for fish tanks and when you use it for plants and watering your plants out in the garden, giving your garden very clean water without chlorine that will kill all the good bacteria. You want that nice microbiome. The good bacteria breaks down the nutrients for your plants. Probably going to have to do this again soon, but we got the fish tank part per million down to 120. And then the pH for the fishies, they should be pretty happy because it's sitting, sitting right about 7.25. That's pretty good for a fish tank.